In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Sonata key fob. This key fob was used between 2011 and 2015 and uses a CR2032 battery. The entire process can be done at home. It's very simple. All you'll need is to get one of these batteries. I'll leave a link in the description to buy one on Amazon. They're just a few dollars and it'll come right to your door. And then you can follow along. So start by pressing on this button to release the internal key. Set that aside and let's look in here. Here we have the hole that the key just came from, and then above it a little slot that's for opening the battery. So we're going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into that slot, and just twist gently. And as you can see, the battery is, the key fob is coming apart. Now we can just finish it with our fingers. Set this part to the side, and then we're going to come in and try to remove this battery. It's in a little plastic housing, and I'm going to use this precision screwdriver to remove it. You can get some of these on Amazon for just a couple bucks. I'll leave a link in the description. They're really good for safely removing the battery without scratching it or damaging it. Otherwise, you could use maybe a toothpick, something you have lying around. We're going to come in on the side of the battery, and with our tool push all the way down to the bottom and pry, getting under the battery, and it'll pop right out. Okay, so now go ahead, get a brand new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side with the battery information goes down into this little compartment. And now we're going to push it down into this little metal component before clicking the top in. Positioning it, pushing it down, and just clicking the top in. And it will sit in there nicely and you'll know that you're good to go. So let's just click the two halves. Let me show you. If this circuit board kind of is coming out, it's just a little rubber thing with the circuit board in it. And this is what you see. Just make sure these little things with the buttons go right on top of there. Gently position it in place. Click these back together. Very simple. And now just return your key and you're done. That's it. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like. And for more information, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com to see the entire guide on the Hyundai Sonata and the key fobs. Thank you for watching.